So set up your Google My Business because what we're gonna be doing is those 2, 3, 400 active clients that you have, what I'd recommend is sending them a little postage over the mail, and we're gonna send a little a postage over the mail, the little package in there. You're gonna put $1 in there. You're gonna put a QR code on there, like, hey, leave us a Google My Business review, and we'll give you a $5 Starbucks gift card. Okay. They're gonna scan that QR code. They're gonna hop on your Google My Business. They're gonna give it a review. It's gonna help you rank that Google My Business to the very top of the listing of the map pack. And then also what you're gonna do is once they leave that review, you're gonna notice it. It's gonna give you notifications to Google My Business. Once they leave the review, you're gonna send them out a Starbucks gift card. And it's really great how it works because if you download the Starbucks app, you're allowed to send out gift cards. And if they don't use the gift card, it won't charge you.
Right.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is try to get a bunch of Google My Business reviews so you can put you on the top of the map pack. So whenever somebody goes to like Siri or something like that, they look on Google My Business, they look on Google in general, you're going to pop up in the map pack. The reason why we're using Google My Business is because Google is transforming the way they do a lot of these websites, especially with AI coming out. AI, you can put 1,000 blog posts up within an hour. What I'm trying to say is that all that SEO, all that new SEO stuff is going to completely change the way we rank websites. So Google My Business, because all that AI stuff coming out, rolling out, is no longer really going to prioritize websites. It's not really going to start prioritizing Google My Business now. So you're going to want to make sure that you have Google My Business ranked up very, very high before Google makes that entire switch to, instead of ranking websites based upon keywords and a lot of call to actions and stuff, it's really going to start pushing Google My Business things. So
Okay.
make sure you have that ranked, reviews on there, looking all sexy and pretty before Google makes that huge switch and makes Google My Business like very, very important.
Okay, but they're definitely going in that direction, so it's worth investing the time.
Exactly,
Okay.
100%. Get that trend before it hits.
Yeah, so